This is a Wise Owl 2 coming at you from the Sea Where I Live. We're on part 4, the final part, and I think I got all the single and the 2-letter chemical symbols all put together. There are more chemical symbols in the periodic table of elements, more of them, but right now these are the ones that will confuse you, as you can see. Let's begin with 4. You got capital H, hydrogen, and a 1 for atomic number. You got fluorine with a 9 atomic number, but a capital F. You got it right there, HF. Here you go, fluorine, capital F-L-U-O-R-I-N-E, hydrogen, capital H-Y-D-R-O-G-E-N. Now, if you take the capital H and you put it down right here, and you take the capital F and change it to a small f next to the H, you get a new atomic number, a 72 atomic number, and you get the new you get another, not really new, you get another. I keep saying new. You get another chemical symbol with an atomic number of 72, and you get the you get another chemical symbol, capital H and small f, for hafnium. Hafnium, capital H-A-F-N-I-U-M. You see what I did here? You see how it changes from a capital F to a small f next to the H? Very confusing, right? Okay, let's go to the S. Capital S, 16 for sulfur, capital I, 53 atomic number for iodine. Iodine is spelled capital I-O-D-I-N-E, iodine. And if you take, you got 16 for sulfur and 53 for iodine, atomic number. Now if you take the capital S and put it down here, and you take the capital I, and make it to a small I, you have a capital S in the I, you get another atomic number of 14 and another chemical symbol, capital S and a small I for silicon, capital S-I-L-I-C-O-N, silicon. Okay? Now if you have a capital N right here for nitrogen, and you got a capital I and 53 for iodine. Remember, iodine is spelled capital I-O-D-I-N-E. Remember that? Okay, so you got a capital N and a capital I. Okay, so you got nitrogen and iodine. You got a 7 for nitrogen and 53 for iodine. And now if you take the N and put it down here and take the capital I and make it a small I, now you got the atomic number of 28 and in another chemical symbol, a capital N and a small I for nickel. For nickel, capital N-I-C-K-E-L, nickel. You see here, nickel. Okay. Now let's take something else. Let's take capital C and capital U. Capital C is for carbon, and capital C is for uranium, and that's 92. 6 is the atomic number for carbon, which is C, and U stands for uranium, which is an atomic number of 92. As you can see here, uranium is spelled capital U-R-A-N-I-U-M. Now, uranium. Now, if you take the capital C and put it down here, and take the capital U and make it to a small u after the capital C, you get the atomic number of 29 and another chemical symbol of capital C and a U for copper. Cu becomes copper, okay, which is capital C-O-P-P-E-R. Okay, if you take a capital B for boron, which is spelled B-O-R-O-N, and you take capital I for iodine, which of course you know what it's spelled right there, capital I-O-D-I-N-E. And now you know that 5 is for boron, the atomic number, and 53 is the atomic number of iodine. But if you take the capital B and put it down here, and you take the capital I and make it a small I, you got another atomic number of 83, and you got another chemical symbol of capital B-I, which is bismuth. Bismuth, which is spelled capital B-I-S-M-U-T-H. Okay? Then we're going to take a capital H for hydrogen, which is 1 atomic number, and we're going to take capital S for sulfur, which is 16 atomic number. Okay? This is, you know how to spell that right here, how you spell it right there. Okay? And I'm going to take a capital H and put it down here, take a capital S and make a small s, and now I have the atomic number of 108. And I have another chemical symbol, capital H and a small s, for hassium. Hassium, capital H-A-S-S-I-U-M, hassium. Okay? Capital H-A-S-S-I-U-M. Then we take, now we got capital N for nitrogen, which is 7. Hydrogen, which is 1. Atomic number, as you can see right here. Nitrogen, N for nitrogen, H for hydrogen, and we go and a 7 and 1. 7 for nitrogen, 1 for hydrogen. And we're going to take the capital N and put it down here. Take the capital H and make it to small h. And now you have the atomic number of 113. And you got capital N and a small h for the chemical symbol of nihonium. Capital N-I-H-O-N-I-A-N. This is one of the new elements put on the periodic table of elements. It stands for Japanese, Japan. You ever seen that the flag with the red circle, the Japanese flag? Nihon means Japanese. It's Japan. It's Japan. It means Japan. Because that's where they did the experiment. So you got nihonium. Nihon means Japan. Okay, 113. And that's it. And that is all the elements of this kind of nature, in this nature. You got part 1, 2, 3, and 4 now, and now you have everything written down. I'm not going to put in the description box below because my phone is breaking more and more. It won't work. So now you have everything here. Okay. Here it is. Okay. Okay. This wise out 2 coming at you from the city where I live, over and out. Have a good day.